Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Send WhatsApp Message to Business School's Facebook Lead. So I am running a business school, and to promote my school I am using Facebook Lead ads. And I wish that as soon as a new lead is received in my Facebook Lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. For this we are going to create a connection between Facebook Lead ads and WhatsApp. To create this connection without knowing any coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So in Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger in action. For trigger, we are going to use Facebook Lead ads, and for action, we are using WhatsApp. So if you also want to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video you are going to learn how to send an automated WhatsApp message to all your Facebook leads for your business school. So I'm running a business school named Elevate Business School, and to promote my school I'm using Facebook lead ads. And I wish that as soon as a new lead is received, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. For this we are going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. To create this connection, we are using Pabbly Connect. And as you can see that this is the landing page of Pabbly, and I opened it just by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. It is so simple. And as soon as you will open the landing page of Pabbly, you will get two options. One is sign up for free and the another one is sign in. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. But I am going to click on sign in because I am an existing user. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting two applications, that is Facebook Lead Ads and WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on Access Now. And now it is opening my dashboard, and to start with the automation we are going to click on this button right over here which says Create Workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which says Facebook Lead Ads to WhatsApp Automation. And I want to name my workflow as Send WhatsApp Message to Business School's Facebook Leads. And now we are going to click on Create. And as you can see that it is opening the most important window of our automation, that is our workflow window. This is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this you can understand that it triggers the commander for the workflow and actions follow the command. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger. So now we are going to select our trigger application as Facebook Lead Ads. So I'll search for Facebook Lead Ads and select Facebook Lead Ads. And now for the trigger event, I'm going to select new lead instant because I want that as soon as a new lead is submitted, instantly Pabbly should capture the response and trigger the workflow. And now we are going to click on connect. And as you can see that it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook Lead Ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook Lead Ads. You have to select your account and click on continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook Lead Ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. And over here you can see connected. Now it is asking me the page and the lead gen form. So as you know, the name of our page is Elevate Business School. So I'm going to search the page as Elevate Business School. I'll select Elevate Business School. And for the lead gen forms, I'm going to select Elevate Business School only because I want only the leads of this particular form should be captured by workflow and send an automated WhatsApp message. So if you want to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms or any another desired form. After selecting my desired form, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And as you can see that it is saying waiting for a webhook response. So we are going to read the note and it is saying do a test submission or a test record. So we are going to do a test submission. For this we are going to open a new tab, search for Meta for Developers. Open the landing page of Meta for Developers. And yes, you can see this is the landing page. From here we are going to go on more and then tools. And then we'll scroll and select Lead Ads RTU Debug Tool. And now it is asking me the page and the form. So for page, we are going to select Elevate Business School. So I'll select Elevate Business School. And for form, we are also selecting Elevate Business School only. So I'll select this and then I'm going to click on Preview Form. And yes, you can see that it is asking me for some details. So I'm going to fill in the dummy details as demo user, email as demo@pabblytuts.com and the dummy phone number. After entering all these details, I'm going to click on next and then submit. And yes, you can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that a lead has been sent to our workflow. So we are going to open our workflow and check that if the lead has been captured by Pabbly or not. And yes, you can see the full name, the email and the same phone number that we entered has been captured in our response. This means that our trigger step is successful and now we are moving on to our action step. For our action application, we are going to select WhatsApp Cloud API because I want that as soon as a new lead is received, automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead with the help of WhatsApp. So we are going to select this. And for the action event, we are going to select Send Template Message. Again, we are going to click on Connect. And again, it will ask me to add a new connection and select the existing connection. So if you have already created your API setup, you can click on Select Existing Connection and then Save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. We have to click on Add a New Connection. And now it will ask you token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So if you want, you can read your instructions and create your API setup. But I've already created my API setup right over here. And if you want to learn how to create an API setup, you can also check out our YouTube channel. So over here, you can see the temporary access token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So I'll copy all these details and paste it in my workflow. But as you can see that this token will expire in 23 hours and this is a temporary token. So if you want to generate a permanent token, you can contact us at forum@pabbly.com. So I'll copy all these details and paste it in my workflow. I'll copy it and paste it. And now we are going to click on Save. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the template name. For this, we'll again go to Meta for Developers. And over here, you can see that it is saying to create your own message template, click here. So we are going to click on this hyperlink. And over here, you can see all the templates that I've created. So if you want to create a new template, you can click on Create Template right over here and create a new one. But in today's video, I'm going to use Facebook lead message. So I'll select this template in my workflow. I'll open my workflow, select Facebook leads message right over here. And you can see that as soon as I changed the template name, Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID. So we don't have to change this. We'll move on to the recipient mobile number. So we are going to map these details. Mapping is a method by Pabbly. Mapping means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. So I'll open the response of my application and over here you can see the phone number. So I'm going to map this. And now for the body field one, I'll show you my template. I'll open WhatsApp Manager. And yes, over here you can see the templated message. But you can notice that over here is 1 in curly brackets. This means that 1 is a variable right over here. And I want that this 1 should change with the name of my lead every time a new lead is received. So that all of my leads receive a more personalized message. So I'll map 1, that is body field 1, as the name of my lead. So I'll open my workflow and map the name of my lead right over here. After mapping both the details, now these details have become dynamic. And this means that these details will change with every new lead. We don't have to come again and again and change these details. These details will change automatically. And now before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, I'll just replace the dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show you the message and the response received. So as you can see that I've replaced my number and now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And yes, you can see that we have received a positive response which says message status accepted. This means that a WhatsApp message has been sent. So I'll directly open my WhatsApp and check that if we have received the message or not. So we'll open our WhatsApp. And yes, you can see that we have received the same message with the name Hello Demo User. This means that our workflow is successful. But we'll just test the workflow once again. And this time I'm going to give you a real-time example. So we'll open our lead ads testing tool. delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the lead and refresh the page, otherwise you'll not be able to create a new lead or preview the form. Again, we are going to select the page and the form. So for page, we are going to select Elevate Business School. And for the form, we are selecting Elevate Business School only, and then we are going to click on Preview Form. And again, it is asking me for some details. So again, I'm going to fill in the dummy details. So I'm going to fill in the full name as test user, the email as test@pabblytunes.com, and the phone number as this. After filling all these details, I'm going to click on next and then submit. And now it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent our lead to our workflow. Pabbly captured the response and then sent an automated WhatsApp message to our lead. So this time we'll directly open our WhatsApp and check that if we have received the message or not. This time we are not going back to our workflow and clicking on save and send test request. We'll directly open our WhatsApp. And yes, you can see hello test user. This is the new name that we entered with the same message. This means that our automation and our workflow is successful. So I'll just summarize the workflow for you once. For a trigger application, we selected Facebook lead ads. For a trigger event, we selected new lead instant. We connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. We selected the page and the lead gen form. After that, Pabbly said waiting for a webhook response. So we generated a dummy response. Pabbly captured the response and then we moved on to our action step. For our action application, we selected WhatsApp Cloud API. For our action event, we selected Send Template Message. We connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. We selected the template name. Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID. We mapped the details like recipient mobile number and body field 1. We mapped these details because we wanted these details to turn dynamic, and all of these details will change with every new lead received. And over here you can see the 2 messages we received during the video. So if you have any queries related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone the workflow and share the workflow link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.